Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're a freelancer in 2025, you know the game is changing faster than ever. It's no longer just about the hustle. It's about working smarter, not harder. And what's the secret weapon that top freelancers are using to get ahead? You guessed it, artificial intelligence. Whether you're a writer, a designer, a video editor, or a marketer, AI tools are here to supercharge your workflow, help you deliver better results, and ultimately, let you earn more money in less time. It's like having a team of virtual assistants working for you around the clock. Sounds good, right? Today, I'm going to break down the top 5 game-changing AI tools that every single freelancer should have in their toolkit. These aren't just trendy gadgets. These are powerful platforms that will save you hours of work every single week. So grab a notebook and let's dive in. First up, at number 1, is the tool that probably needs no introduction, ChatGPT. But are you using it to its full potential? For freelancers, this thing is a communication powerhouse. Think about all the time you spend writing. Client proposals, follow-up emails, outreach messages, it all adds up. With ChatGPT, you can draft a professional, persuasive proposal in minutes. Just give it the project details, your key selling points, and boom! You have a solid first draft ready to be polished. It's also incredible for overcoming writer's block. If you're a content writer, you can use it to generate blog post ideas, create detailed outlines, or even write entire sections of an article. And for my fellow marketers, think about the speed. You need 5 different versions of an ad copy for a Facebook campaign? Just ask. You need 10 engaging social media captions for a client's Instagram post? Done in seconds. ChatGPT isn't just a writer, it's a brainstorming partner and a communication coach all rolled into one. It helps you sound professional, confident, and clear, which is absolutely crucial for winning and retaining clients. It's the foundational AI tool that every freelancer, regardless of their niche, should be mastering right now. Coming in at number 2 is a tool for all the visual creatives out there, Canva AI. Now, many of you probably already use Canva for basic designs, but their new AI features, collectively known as Magic Studio, have completely transformed the platform. If you're a freelancer who creates logos, social media graphics, presentations, or YouTube thumbnails, this is for you. Let's say a client needs a set of 10 branded Instagram posts. Instead of creating each one from scratch, you can use Canva's AI to instantly apply a brand's style across multiple designs. But the real showstopper is the text-to-image feature. You can literally just type a description of the image you want, like a minimalist watercolor painting of a coffee shop on a rainy day, and Canva's AI will generate it for you. This is a massive time saver, especially when you need unique stock photos or custom illustrations that perfectly match your vision. No more endless scrolling through stock photo websites. The Magic Write feature can also help you craft compelling text for your designs, and Magic Switch can resize a single design for multiple platforms, like an Instagram post, a Facebook banner, and a story, with just one click. For freelancers who aren't professional graphic designers but still need to produce high-quality visuals, Canva AI is an absolute lifesaver. It democratizes design and speeds up your workflow tremendously. All right, let's move on to our third tool, which is all about getting your life in order. It's Notion AI. If you feel like you're drowning in project details, client notes, and an endless to-do list, this one is for you. Notion has always been a fantastic tool for organization, but with the integration of AI, it has become the ultimate productivity hub for freelancers. Imagine you're starting a new project. You can ask Notion AI to create a complete project plan, including tasks, timelines, and milestones. It can take your messy, brainstormed notes from a client call and instantly organize them into a clean, actionable summary with key takeaways and next steps. It's also a powerful writing assistant right inside your workspace. Need to write a scope of work document? Ask Notion AI to create a template. Need to brainstorm content pillars for a client's blog? It can generate a table of ideas in seconds. You can even use it to draft invoices or create a content calendar. The real magic of Notion AI is that it keeps everything in one place. Your project management, your notes, your writing, your client database, it all lives and breathes within the same ecosystem. By automating the administrative and organizational tasks that eat up your day, Notion AI frees you up to focus on the creative, high-value work that clients actually pay you for. It's like having a project manager and an executive assistant built right into your digital workspace. Number 4 on our list is for the video creators, the YouTubers, and the social media managers. It's CapCut AI. Video is king in 2025, and clients are demanding more video content than ever before. But creating high-quality videos can be incredibly time-consuming. CapCut's AI features are designed to slash your editing time in half. One of its most powerful tools is the AI script generator. If you're stuck on what to say, you can just input a topic and it will generate a complete video script for you. Then, once you've recorded your video, its auto captions feature is a game changer. It automatically transcribes your audio and creates synchronized, stylish captions with just one click. We all know how important captions are for engagement, and this saves hours of tedious manual work. But it gets even better. Let's say you're editing a talking head video and you need some B-roll footage to make it more engaging. CapCut's AI can analyze your script and automatically suggest or even find relevant stock footage and images to overlay. It also has features like auto-reframing, which can take a horizontal YouTube video and intelligently crop it into a vertical format for TikTok or Reels, keeping the main subject in the frame. For any freelancer working with video, CapCut AI automates the most tedious parts of the editing process, allowing you to produce more content, faster, without sacrificing quality. Finally, at number 5, we have a category of tools for research and ideation. Perplexity AI and Google Gemini. As a freelancer, you're constantly learning. You're researching new industries for clients, looking for data to back up your marketing strategy, or just trying to find fresh inspiration for your next project. This is where tools like Perplexity and Gemini shine. Unlike a standard Google search that just gives you a list of links, these AI search engines read, understand, and synthesize information for you. You can ask a complex question like, "What are the top marketing trends for e-commerce in 2025?" And instead of getting a million articles, you'll get a concise, well-written summary with sources cited. This is invaluable for client work. You can quickly become a mini expert on a client's niche, find statistics to support your proposals, or generate a list of creative ideas for a campaign. Perplexity, in particular, is fantastic because it shows you exactly where it got its information, which is crucial for fact-checking and ensuring accuracy. Using these tools is like having a research assistant who can read hundreds of pages and give you the cliff notes in minutes. It saves an incredible amount of time that you would otherwise spend sifting through search results. For any freelancer whose work relies on solid information and fresh ideas, mastering an AI research tool is non-negotiable. So there you have it, the top 5 AI tools that are empowering freelancers to work smarter. We have ChatGPT for communication, Canva AI for design, Notion AI for productivity, CapCut AI for video, and Perplexity for research. The key takeaway here is that AI is not here to replace freelancers. It's here to empower them. It's a tool, just like a laptop or a camera. The freelancers who learn to leverage these tools effectively will be the ones who thrive. They'll be more efficient, deliver higher quality work, and have more time to focus on strategy, creativity, and building client relationships. The things that AI can't do. Start by picking one of these tools that addresses your biggest pain point and spend a week integrating it into your workflow. You'll be amazed at how much time and effort you save. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on how to level up your freelancing career. Let me know in the comments which AI tool you're most excited to try. See you in the next one.